Welcome back to my channel. There's something so comforting about taking simple fabric scraps and turning them into warm, cozy magic for your home. Grab a cup of tea, relax your mind, and let's create something beautiful together. All tools and materials I'm using today are linked in the description below. For this project, we are working with 2 fabric squares, a gorgeous floral print, and a solid color that acts just like a picture frame. Look at how this floral center pops. It literally looks like a framed painting. Sewing is such a wonderful form of relaxation and self-care. Plus, projects like this make lovely handmade gifts or fast-selling items for craft fairs. But keep watching to see what this cozy framed picture actually turns into. Now, let's stitch the frame around the floral print, sewing along the inner edge slowly and smoothly is so therapeutic. Just enjoy the rhythm of the machine and the quiet moment for yourself. By the way, if you love quick, creative fabric scrap ideas, make sure to check out my playlist linked in the description below for dozens of easy, inspiring home projects. Next, place synthetic batting, or ideally 100% cotton batting, underneath your piece. Cotton batting gives the best heat resistance and a lovely vintage quilted texture. Now, simply top stitch along the inner frame line to quilt everything together neatly. Trim away the excess batting along the edges. Next, grab another matching solid fabric square, lay it right sides together with your main piece, and stitch around the perimeter, leaving a small opening. Turn it right side out. Push out the corners. Hand stitch the opening closed with an invisible ladder stitch. Give it a good press with an iron, and it's done. And here is our secret reveal. It's a heat-resistant table mat. Not only does it protect your wooden table from high temperatures, but it also acts as a soft cushion, so glass teapots or warm dishes never clatter or break against hard surfaces. Look at how dreamy it looks in the kitchen under a morning mug of coffee. The floral print matches the fresh flowers on the table, instantly lifting the mood and bringing warmth into the room. I hope this project fills your day with peace and creativity. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more daily handmade inspiration. Wishing you happiness and peaceful sewing.